So after creating a flavor, now we are going to see a flavor with number of petals. So not only with 5 petals. If you want, suppose if you want to draw a flavor with the 6 petal or 7 petal, how can you able to write a procedure? So now we are going to see how to create a flavor with number of petals by using parameter also. Okay. So now we are going to see how to create a flavor with any number of sides. Okay children, so for that first I'm going to create a procedure to flavor. Along with that I'm giving a number because already flavor procedure is defined there. Okay, so flavor 2. In that input box type repeat and I need 6 sides petal. Okay, so repeat 6 square bracket petal and RT 60. Okay, close the square bracket and then complete your procedure with end command. So END end. So now you can see flavor 2 is defined. So now you type flavor 2 in the input box. So you can see a flavor with 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides flavor is created right now. So if I want 7 side flavor, what I'm supposed to do? So again I want to write this procedure. So instead of that, I'm going to use parameter here. So I created a procedure with the name FLO. Okay, so 2 FLO N. So N is a parameter here. So repeat N, petal RT 360 divided by N, end. Okay, so this is a procedure by using a parameter. So now what happened? I can able to change the number of petals at any time while I run the program. So see, I'm clearing the screen and then I will show you how this parameter works. Okay, so the procedure name is FLO. So if I give FLO 4, only 4 sides petal is displayed here. Okay, so I want now more than 4 sides flavor. So FLO 8. So now you can see 8 sides flavor. So each time while you are running the program, you can able to change the value if you use parameter. Okay, so next I am giving FLO 10. So now what happened? 10 sides petal flavor is drawn in the screen. Okay, so this is the use of parameter, using parameter in the program. Okay, so anytime you can able to change the value in your program. So thank you children. This is how you can able to draw a flavor with any number of petal topic. I think it's clear to you. So watch next module. So our next topic is fence and wrap command. Okay, so what is this fence and wrap command means? Wrapping means the process of going round the screen. So for example, if we give FD 500, what happened? Our turtle will move forward 500 steps, but the screen is not having that much space. So automatically our turtle will comes in the opposite direction. Okay, so it is rounding the screen. Okay, so that is called wrapping. So fencing means prevent the turtle from wrapping around the screen. So if you use this command fence, what is the meaning of fence? Fence means there is a border. Okay, so automatically if you use the fence command, you will get a message that the turtle is out of bound. So the turtle will stop, it not goes out of the screen. It will stop on the boundary of the screen. Okay, so that is the use of wrap and fence command. So now we are going to see how to use these fence and wrap command in our program. So now we are going to see how to use this command in our logo. So if I type FD 300, the turtle will start moving 300 steps forward. So if I type again FD 500, it is out of boundary. Okay, so now you can see the turtle wrap and come from the opposite direction. Okay, so it is rounding the screen now. So this is called wrapping. Okay children, so now I am going to show you by using the next command. Okay, first I am giving fence. Okay, so type fence first. So now what happened? We are protecting our turtle, not going cross from our boundary. That means from our screen. So type FD 800. Okay, so now you can see it is not coming in the opposite direction. Okay, so the turtle moves only forward, but it is not wrapping on the screen. So you can see a message that turtle out of bounds. Okay, so now the turtle is out, but it is not wrapping. So again, if you give FD 500, again you can see only the message, the turtle out of bound. So it is not wrapping again, it is not rounding in the screen. So until you give the command wrap, okay, if you give the command wrap only, the turtle will start warping again. So if you give FD 1000, so you can see the turtle is rounding the screen right now. Okay, so this is the use of wrap command and also fence command. Clear, children? So fence means we are preventing the turtle from wrapping the screen. And wrap means we are allowing the turtle to round in the screen.